By that time, they actually made black people citizens of their different homelands. And the mine bosses didn't want their cheap labor to go back to develop the homelands. Then he was assassinated.
His idea then would have been, if he'd lived long enough, to make new countries, to create
Yes.
new countries and allow these countries to stand on their own 2 feet and manage whatever they could. What was his idea for an Afrikaner Bantustan? I mean, that's an interesting thing I haven't really heard a lot about.
No, his idea was that Afrikaners deserve a homeland and they should have a homeland of their own that they can call their own. That's nobody else's, it's only theirs. Just like the Bantus had, the Bantustans, like Zululand, is only for the Zulus.
Where was he going to put this? How was he
In
going to?
basically the old areas of the Boer republics, but a little bit smaller. So basically Gauteng, which is like the core of what the Boer republics were. No other people have any claim on Gauteng because no other black tribe ever lived in Gauteng historically speaking. And then parts of Limpopo, but just like the southern part of Limpopo, obviously the Venda people and the Tsonga people have claims to the north of it. Then the Kruger Park, then some parts of Mpumalanga, but then he would have given some of the Swazi areas back to the Swazi people and then some of the Zulu areas back to Zululand. And then on the other side, on the western side, Northwest Province, roughly half of Northwest Province. If you draw a line down the middle, that's where he would have made it. And then the northern part of the Free State, the southern part, he said, was Sotho territory. So that was the idea. This was the historic homeland of the Boer people, and that's what he wanted back. Oh, and obviously also Vryheid, the Republic of Vryheid in Natal, which would have given the land access to the sea as well, so it's not completely landlocked.
Who were the main opponents to Verwoerd at this point?
The mine bosses, yes. The most accepted theory was that it was the mine bosses that wanted him assassinated, and they found a mentally disabled and also mentally, basically a crazy guy to do it. Because by that time, they actually made black people citizens of their different homelands. And the mine bosses didn't want their cheap labor to go back to develop the homelands. Because you must also remember the homelands were quite destitute in the fact that the families that lived there, the wife and the children, lived on their own, and the husband was working on the mine and just sending money back to them, which broke up the families completely, and it also took the entire labor force out of the homelands and putting them in Johannesburg, which was devastating for the culture and the family unit. And Verwoerd wanted to get rid of that. And he had a very big, what do you call it, like a project to reunite black families.